Recently, my father bought a purple cabbage from the market, and out of curiosity, I remembered that purple cabbage has some very good chemical properties because it acts as a natural indicator of acidic and basic substances. So I decided to make purple cabbage solution. Now guys, here is our purple cabbage. As you can see, yeah, that's look really beautiful. And I have already cut out a section of the purple cabbage so that I can just grind it. It is pretty beautiful. Look at how purplish it is, yeah, and the white stripes. So it is just a purple pigment. Still, it can do some, photosynthesis like that stuff. It's just a pigment. And so I'm gonna put it right back into the polythene bag. And now we got this. So what we're gonna do with this, that we're gonna, you know, take, we're gonna try to take out the purple pigment from it because it is the natural indicator acting in this purple cabbage. So there are two processes we can do it. First, we can just leave it in, stagnant water or still water for about few hours. Then we can just, filter out the purple water that the pigment has been dissolved into the water. And another process that we can just grind it in a mixture grinder, and then we're gonna filter out with a sieve tube and some tissue paper, acting as a filter paper, and then we can get a purple dyed water, the purple colored water, and that will be our natural indicator. It is a purple solution. So let's do it. And here I have a mixture grinder, and then I'm gonna take some water inside it. Just take out some crumbs. Yeah, small pieces. The purple parts are very important. I'm gonna leave this part. That's still pretty white. There's still a lot of purple pigment, but it will not grind at bare, so just gonna leave it. I'm gonna take all the leaves, and now let's take some water. Yeah, I've taken about half of it. After filling of the pills, I've taken half of the vessel and then close up. Now it's ready to be mixed. So guys, here I'm using an electrical mixture grinder. So if you don't have this, you can do this in another way by just smashing it in a vessel with a hammer. I just want to show you that thing. We call this, see, these two things. You can just smash the water and the purple cabbage together to get the solution, but it's a very hard process. So I'm gonna use here a electrical mixture grinder. So now let's turn it on. now it's perfect. Yeah, let's take it out. So here is our finished product. It's look kind of fuzzy. It contains a lot of bubbles and foams, and also too many residuals, the solid particles. So we gonna filter it out. So I have a very simple setup here. We have a tea strainer, or you will say that a sieve. Okay, a sieve filter, and I just attach it to the glass here. And now we're gonna take one tissue paper. If you have a filter paper, then it's far better, but in my case I'm using a tissue paper because it is easily available in your home. So now what I'm doing is that I'm dividing into two pieces, roughly two pieces. I'm not telling you to just cut it with a scissor. You can cut it with a scissor for precision if you like too much precision, but I just roughly tiered it into two parts, and now I'm gonna put it here, so it will act like a filter, additional filter. And now I'm gonna pour in the liquid here. So you don't have to just pour in all the liquid at once. You have to, you know, be patient and just drop one by one. You can see the residuals here. Okay, some of it spilled out. You can see the residual. These are the solid particles. So now what I'm gonna do, take a spoon. Take a spoon and just press it so that the water will go down there. As you can see, it's working perfectly. And now I'm gonna take it as a whole carefully, not to squeeze too hard or the tissue paper will tear out, and then press it or squish it in your hand so that the solution will come out. Oops. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it out, and we got our clear purple juice, the cabbage juice, which we're gonna need to test out the acid and the basic properties. This is our indicator. So guys, now it's time for testing that if we are successful or not. Here I have four different liquids, or you can say solutions. So let's test out which are acidic and which are basic in nature. So here is our purple cabbage solution. Looks pretty good, right? And then I will add this to this yellowish color substance. It turns kinda greenish and also bluish. So this indicates that it's a base. So actually this is a floor cleaner, and they are basic in nature because they are used in cleaning purposes, and that's why it's showing a bluish and greenish tint. Now let's move on to our next liquid here. It turns red. So this shows that it is acidic in nature, and I used here diluted vinegar that we usually use in making food. Okay, so vinegar is an acid, acetic acid, most we called it. So that's why it shows red color, because acids dissolved in purple calorie solution, which is natural indicator, shows red color. Now we have our third liquid here. It kind of also shows the same color as our floor cleaner. So it is also basic in nature. It is actually sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is our baking soda that we also used in making food stuffs. This is basic in nature. And now our final solution. You can guess. It is not turning to anything. Okay. Its color is as usual. It's purple. It suggests that it is a neutral solution. Why it is neutral? Because it is a common salt solution, and common salt is a neutral salt, NaCl, and that's why it's showing purple color, the same color as this purple indicator. So from this we can conclude that our small experiment is successful. That's it for this video. This video was like off topic for my channel, but still, if you find it interesting, then like on the like button to get the 3 likes, and if you liked it too much, then consider subscribing. It really appreciates me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.